How to delete Weverse account permanently? First of all, you need to launch the Weverse app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign into the particular account which you want to delete permanently. Then the home page look like this of Weverse, where you have to tap More at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap gear icon at top right corner to access the settings page. Now scroll down at bottom of the screen and you will see Leave Service option. Simply select that. Now select any of the browser here and then you need to wait until it gets loaded on your page. As you can see, here are some of the connected social media's account. Simply, you need to select the delete button at bottom right corner of the screen next to Weverse. Now you're on this section where you have to select delete account from Weverse. So before you tap a delete account from Weverse, you have to go through the above note thoroughly and then you need to type in the text below. Once you successfully copy the above text, you need to tap on delete account for Weverse, and after that, you need to wait for a while and then you will successfully delete your Weverse account permanently. So that is how we delete our Weverse account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.